Welcome back to Travel Cruise Feast. Today we're exploring one of the most charming small capitals in the world, Wellington. It has a population of only 215,000 and is situated at the bottom tip of the North Island. When your cruise ship docks at Wellington Harbour, you can just walk right off the ship into town. Wellington may be small, but it delivers big. Dramatic hills, a sparkling waterfront, and some of New Zealand's best food, coffee, and culture. From here, a popular cruise excursion would be to the Wētā Workshop in Miramar, home to the creators behind The Lord of the Rings, Avatar, and more. This is a fairly expensive excursion and a must-do for the film buffs. However, in this series about cruise ports in New Zealand, we chose to do more relaxed, budget-friendly sites. We headed first to the historical Wellington Cable Car, which was an easy walk to. It's a quick, scenic ride up to the Botanic Garden, where you'll find walking trails, flower-filled pathways, and sweeping city panoramas. Tickets up were less than $50 New Zealand dollars for a family. You can also choose to ride up one way and walk down through the botanical gardens. The descent takes about 40 mins. Our second stop was the Wellington waterfront, another easy walk from the cruise ship. On a sunny day, it's one of the most walkable and beautiful spots in Wellington. One of the top attractions there is the Te Papa, New Zealand's national museum. It's completely free and perfect for cruisers. You can dive into Maori culture, natural history, and a Gallipoli exhibition, all at your own pace. Unfortunately, on our day there, this museum was not open. Wellington's has a good reputation for food and coffee. For us, of course, we found a Malaysian stall on the wharf for a very tasty noodle snack. Wellington is a port, it's compact, easy to explore on foot, and you can do some light souvenir shopping here too, making it a perfect DIY cruise stop on your New Zealand itinerary. Subscribe for the next city we will visit, Napier, New Zealand's cute Art Deco township.